Okay, it's my singing monsters again, and I'm here with Megan.
Hi.
My granddaughter. She's 10. And today, what we're going to do today, we're going to show you some good paying monsters. So let's go to Earth Island, Megan. Megan's working the iPad and I'm doing the boring commentary. Whoa, look at those, aren't they beautiful?
Yes, Grandad. What are all those six-headed monsters for?
Well, they're called Quarristers. And rather than fill your island with nice looking monsters that are all pretty, let's earn loads of gold coins and get some good payers in. So you start collecting those up then, Megan. What they get in each? 155,000 each. That's probably every 12 hours I think you get that. So they're really good payers. So they don't look very nice, but we've got a lovely island of good paying monsters. So we've got what, 87 million up there at the moment. So let's go to another island and see some more good paying monsters. So take me to Air Island, Megan. Thank you. Whoa, look what we've got on Air Island. All those Wubbox monsters. They're worth a good bit. Let's see how much they're worth, Megan. Alright. 518,000 each. Woo!
Do you want me to collect
500,000 each. Yeah, collect them all up, Megan. Lovely. So there you go. And they don't look too bad either. They're not ugly. Yeah. Just collecting the cake there. Lovely. So that's it really. I just thought I'd show you that you don't have to have pretty monsters all the time. You can have ugly ones, or you can have. It'll take a bit of getting these blue boxes, but once you get them, they're worth it. 'Cause you get loads of gold coins. So I'm away. See you again. It's bye from Geoff.
Bye from Megan.
Bye. See you again.
Bye.